Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator directly in your web browser. This incredible experience allows you to pilot aircraft from anywhere with an internet connection, without needing to download a massive game or own a high-end gaming computer. We'll cover everything you need to get started, from setting up your subscription to launching your first flight. Get ready to take to the virtual skies with ease. Before you embark on your virtual journey, there are a few key things you'll need. First, an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription is absolutely essential, as this service powers the cloud gaming experience. You'll also want a stable internet connection, ideally with at least 20 megabits per second download speed, to ensure smooth streaming. Finally, a compatible controller, like an Xbox wireless controller, will provide the best and most intuitive control over your aircraft. Once you have your subscription and equipment ready, launching the game is straightforward. Simply open your favorite web browser and go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Sign in using the Microsoft account associated with your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. From there, navigate through the game library to find Microsoft Flight Simulator. Click on the game's icon, hit the play button, and within moments, you'll be ready to choose your aircraft and take off into the vast virtual world. To make your cloud gaming experience even better, try a few simple tips. Closing unnecessary browser tabs and applications can free up bandwidth and processing power for smoother gameplay. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi to reduce latency and ensure a more stable stream. Microsoft Flight Simulator offers a huge variety of aircraft and missions, so don't hesitate to explore everything it has to offer. Happy flying!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.